Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.6, Problem 2. This is Section 4.6, Problem 2. It says, what number is 8% of 20? So from this section, what we want to do is set these percent problems up as a proportion and solve them as a proportion. So to do that, you want the sentence to be worded, A is P% of B, and then use that to set up an equation. A is equals P%, the word percent always turns into a 100 for these, of B. So it just goes in a circle. A is P% of B, A is P% of B. You just start here and make a circle and it fills it in. Now you have to decide what's A, what's P, what's B. And the 100 is always 100. So what number? That's the unknown. That's just going to stay as a variable. A is becomes an equals 8%. So 8% is 100 of B. So B this time is the 20. So we have A over 20 equals 8 over 100. This is our proportion. And now to solve a proportion like this, what we do is we cross multiply and divide. So A times 100, we'll write 100A equals, and then the other way, we have 20 times 8. And now let me simplify the right-hand side. 100A equals, 20 times 8 is somewhat of a big multiplication, but just ignore the 0 and the 20 for a second and make it 2 times 8. That's easy. 2 times 8 is 16. And now the 0 that you ignored, you put it back. It's 16 with a 0 on the end, which is 160. So now I have 100A equals 160. I want to know what A equals, so I have to divide out that 100. A equals 160 divided by 100. And now, really 0 on the end, it becomes 16 over 10. And because of the 0 here, I know it's going to be 1.6. You can divide that out or use a calculator, but you will get 1.6. So now that's the answer. So that's A. That's the what number? 1.6 is 8% of 20. And now notice along the way, like the 8 and the 100, I could have actually reduced that and made the problem A over 20 equals, they'll both reduce nicely by 4. 4 divides into 8 twice. 4 divides into 125 times. And you could do the same cross multiply and divide, and you'd get the same answer of 1.6. It doesn't matter. If you notice, reduce. If you don't, you'll still get the answer.